Don't light it.
No, don't blow it out until I get my camera ready.
And Kenny, do not blow the candle. That's
We're gonna light off.
Yeah,
The lights off.
well, no.
And she can feel.
Everybody take a seat now, okay? 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Graham. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Now I'm gonna taste it.
Alright, let me get
Happy King's Head.
We aren't
King's
going
head.
to keep him until he rocks.
Could I have a heart?
Yeah, she's gonna keep him, but she made him. He's a
I want a heart of the cake.
Oh, we still got the astronaut from Nathan's third
Can you
birthday.
eat the cake?
No?
I can't imagine working on that stuff. That was awesome. Does it not go bad? What is it?
Is the cake?
The color.
Wait, is the king edible?
Yeah, but
Stop touching the cake. Is the cake edible?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
You can eat it.
Okay.
Eat the heart. Yes, you can.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's the sugary material that you can eat.
It's like cake, special cake decoration.
Yeah, it's called fondant. It's like sugar clay.
Yeah, it's like sugar paper. Kind of like sugar paper.
Kind of.
Yours?
I tasted like sugar paper where you put the picture on it, put it on the cake, and you can peel it off. Yeah.
Graham, I see you trying to touch that cake.
No.
Yeah, I see you.
You get the first piece anyway. He gets to take the first bite because it's his birthday.
That's right.
So just he gets to eat it. So as soon as he lifts his face up, let's stuff it into the cake. No. Nobody's allowed to eat it until he eats his first bite. And then when he eats all the cake, we can have this tiny clump. No. I'm not going to tell him.
No.
I'm going to stop. I'm going to put my whole head in the cake. Remember in the olden days movies when they when they made those pies that they threw people faces? That would be funny. So it's cream pie. Cream pie. Like cream pie. And we do it. So when you would lick it off. That would be funny. Okay, raise your hand if you want cake. Okay. I want ice cream.
Everybody.
Do you want cake? Where's ice cream? Where's ice cream? We don't have ice cream.
And here's the server.
Doesn't want it. That's right.
I'll get out of here. I was going to go to the corner. I think you can go back over here.
Watch out.
Which corner do you want to start?
Watch out. Ice cream cake. Watch out. I mean, that is the ice cream. Where's the ice cream?
Want that one?
Where's the ice cream?
Alright. I gotta stand up here.
Yeah, you can turn the cake.
Take that.
Here. Garrett, why don't you turn the cake so you can get it
Yeah.
better. You can pull all that stuff off if you want to.
I'm gonna start here and just work my way through.